When it comes to men's footwear, finding the perfect balance between style, comfort, and durability can be a challenge. However, the Rollstep men's leather sneakers seem to check all the right boxes. As someone who values both aesthetics and functionality in shoes, I decided to give these sneakers a try. Here's my in-depth review of these versatile all-season sneakers. Check the link in the description if you want to grab one for yourself. Material and build quality. One of my biggest concerns when buying shoes is their durability. I don't want to invest in a pair that will wear out within a few months. Thankfully, these Rollstep sneakers are built with artificial leather, which not only looks premium, but also holds up well against daily wear and tear. The lining is made from cotton fabric, making the shoes breathable and comfortable, even after hours of wear. Meanwhile, the EVA insole provides cushioning that supports my feet throughout the day. I could feel the difference immediately compared to my older sneakers, which lacked the same level of comfort. For the outsole, rubber was the material of choice, and it does a fantastic job of providing grip and flexibility. Whether I'm walking on pavement, tile floors, or slightly wet surfaces, I feel secure knowing that the traction is reliable, comfort, and fit. One thing I absolutely love about these shoes is how true to size they are. I didn't have to worry about sizing up or down. My regular size fit perfectly. From the moment I slipped them on, I could tell these were designed with comfort in mind. The breathable and sweat-absorbent fabric keeps my feet cool and fresh, even after a long day. I also appreciate how lightweight they are. Some sneakers tend to feel heavy, but these make walking effortless. Season and occasion suitability. I've worn these shoes mostly during fall and spring, and they're perfect for these seasons. The breathable material makes them comfortable in moderate temperatures, but they also provide enough warmth on slightly chilly days. In terms of occasions, these shoes are incredibly versatile. I've worn them to the office, to casual outings with friends, and even for light travel. They work well for both formal and casual settings, which means I don't have to carry an extra pair of shoes when transitioning between work and leisure. Features you may be looking for: all-weather grip, shock-resistant and hard-wearing, height-increasing and massage effect, anti-odor and waterproof, flexible and lightweight. Final verdict. After wearing these Rollstep men's leather sneakers for several weeks, I can confidently say they are worth every penny. They check all the boxes: stylish, durable, comfortable, and versatile. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this review helpful, show some love by hitting that like button, subscribing, and ringing the notification bell.